Welcome to this episode. We will talk about key opinion leader engagement planning. Engaging with key opinion leaders is not just about sporadic interactions, but requires a structured strategic approach. A well thought out key opinion leader engagement plan is the foundation of a successful collaboration. So let's see how we can build a robust key opinion leader engagement plan. Any key opinion engagement plan should include 3 steps. So let's take them one by one. The first step to plan for key opinion leader engagement is to set clear objectives for the relationship. It is very important to define the purpose of the relationship. What do you aim to achieve through this collaboration? Setting clear objectives provides directions and ensures that both parties have aligned expectations. What type of objectives we can set for a key opinion leader engagement relationship? For example, research collaboration, partnering with the key opinion leader for clinical trials or joint research projects, or educational initiatives. Maybe the partnership with the key opinion leader aims to leverage his or her expertise for training sessions, webinars, educational workshops, and so on. Or maybe we are engaging with the key opinion leader for advisory roles, engaging with the key opinion leader for his insights on product development, medical practice, market strategies, or even regulatory challenges. So the first step is to set the right objectives for each key opinion leader engagement plan. The second objective will be to tailor the engagement strategies based on the key opinion leader's profile and preferences. Every key opinion leader is unique, with their own set of expertise, preferences, and expectations. A one-size-fits-all approach won't yield optimal results. Instead, engagement strategies should be tailored to resonate with the specific key opinion leader. Considerations that you need to understand and work on when you tailor strategies to engage with key opinion leaders include the key opinion leader's expertise. Is he a researcher, clinician, educator, or a mix of those? The engagement strategy should align with their primary area of expertise. Communication preferences. Does the key opinion leader prefer face-to-face meetings, virtual interactions, emails, or phone calls, or all of them? Understanding and respecting these preferences can enhance the quality of interactions. Another important point to consider the availability. Consider the key opinion leader's commitments, be in clinical duties, research projects, or teaching assignments. Plan engagements keeping their availability in mind. The third step in key opinion leader engagement planning is establishing regular communication and feedback mechanisms. Open and consistent communication is the bedrock of a successful key opinion leader relationship. It's not just about conveying your messages, but also about listening, understanding, and adapting based on the key opinion leader's feedback. The feedback provides the ability for you to continuously improve in your strategy. Regular feedback helps refining engagement strategies, ensuring they remain relevant and effective. The role of medical science liaisons, as we discussed before, has evolved significantly beyond just disseminating scientific information. Today, MSLs are very important in fostering genuine value based partnerships with key opinion leaders. Such value based partnerships are grounded in mutual respect, trust, and shared goal of advancing patient care. So, Let's have a comprehensive review of creating a value-based partnership with key opinion leaders. This starts by understanding the value in partnership. And this involves mutual benefit. A value based partnership is not one sided. Both MSLs and key opinion leaders should derive tangible and intangible benefits from the relationship. While MSLs gain insights and feedback, key opinion leaders benefit from early access to scientific data, research opportunities, educational activities, and more. Shared goals. The partnership should be rooted in shared objectives, such as advancing scientific research, improving patient outcomes, or addressing unmet medical needs. So we have to understand that it is a two-way communication and a two-way value-based partnership built on mutual benefit and shared goals. The second element in creating a value based partnership is building trust and capability. And this starts with consistent communication. Regular and transparent communication is very, very important. MSL should ensure that interactions with every key opinion leader is meaningful, addressing their needs and interests. And also, to build trust and credibility, you need to focus on the scientific acumen. MSLs must possess deep scientific knowledge and be able to engage in high level scientific discussions. This expertise establishes credibility with key opinion leaders. Again, MSLs should be subject matter experts in the portfolio of their medications, and on the other hand, the key opinion leader is an expert or a subject matter expert in the clinical practice and management of the disease. So it's a mutual relation once again, built on consistent communication and scientific acumen. The third element is the collaborative initiatives. The collaborative initiatives can either be research collaborations or educational initiatives. For research collaborations, the MSLs can facilitate collaborations between key opinion leaders and the pharmaceutical industry, such as clinical trials, investigator initiated studies, and so. On the other hand, for the educational collaborations or educational initiatives, organizing workshops, webinars, or training sessions that cater to the key opinion leaders' interest can also add value to the partnership. Number 4, understanding and addressing key opinion leader needs. And this will be built on two important factors. First, tailoring the engagement, and as we said before, recognize that each key opinion leader is unique and tailor your engagement with him or her based on his or her profile, interests, and the patient population they serve. The second element, support the clinical challenges. MSLs can provide support in addressing clinical challenges, offering solutions, or connecting key opinion leaders with another internal experts. Number 5, maintain ethical considerations, including transparency and regulatory adherence. So, for transparency, all interactions should be transparent with clear delineation of the intent and purpose. Regulatory adherence ensure that all engagements adhere to industry regulation, avoiding promotional talks or off-label discussions. Remember, the MSL is main role is leading the scientific discussions with the key opinion leaders, and this is the big difference between the MSL and a sales representative. So to maintain ethical relationship and to build value-based partnership with key opinion leaders, you need to be very transparent in all engagements and interactions, and also to ensure that you are committed to your job, your role. Never bring up proactively off-label discussions, and avoid any promotional talks, directly or indirectly. Another important step to build value-based partnerships is the feedback and evaluation. Regularly solicit feedback from key opinion leaders on the value being provided and areas for improvement. And after getting the feedback, adapt and evolve. The healthcare landscape is ever changing. MSL should always be agile, adapting their strategies based on the feedback and changing needs. Number 7, establish long-term vision for the partnership with the key opinion leader. Move beyond transactional interactions and aim for long-term relationships where both parties grow and evolve together. Share success, celebrate milestones and successes together. Whether it's a successful research collaboration or a breakthrough in patient care or even feedback obtained after an educational initiative where the key opinion leader participated actively. Create value-based partnership with the key opinion leaders because it is the best and ultimate approach of the whole role. Understanding the needs and being consistent and building a meaningful engagement and a genuine desire to collaborate for the betterment of patient care, this is what we should do as field medical team. MSLs with their unique position at the intersection of science and healthcare are perfectly positioned to drive these partnerships to the next levels. Now, I will share with you some recommendations or strategies to always improve your key opinion leader engagement. So let's get started. Number 1, deepen scientific knowledge. And as we said before, ensure that you are well versed in the latest scientific developments, research methodologies, clinical practices. Regularly update yourself with new data, publication, and research findings related to the therapeutic area you are working on. Number 2, keep the engagement personalized. Recognize the unique interests, expertise, and needs of each key opinion leader. Tailor interactions and communications based on the individual key opinion leader profiles. 3, leverage digital platforms as appropriate. Use the digital tools and platforms for regular touch points, especially when face-to-face interactions are challenging. Consider virtual meeting, webinars, and online workshops to maintain engagement. Remember, engagement should be consistent. Number 4, treasure the collaborative opportunities. Involve key opinion leaders in collaborative research, clinical trials, educational activities. Offer opportunities for them to participate in advisory boards, speaker programs, or expert panels. 5, establish a feedback mechanism. Regularly solicit feedback from key opinion leaders on the quality of interactions, information shared, and areas for improvement. Implement feedback to enhance future engagements. Number 6, stay transparent and maintain integrity. Ensure that all your interactions are transparent, ethical, and compliant with the regulations and with your role as MSL or field medical colleague. Avoid any potential conflicts of interest and maintain the non-promotional nature of your role. Consistent communication. Establish regular communication schedules, ensuring that key opinion leaders are updated with relevant information in a timely manner. You can use a mix of formal and informal touch points to maintain rapport. Number 8, provide exclusive access. Offer key opinion leaders early access to new research, findings, clinical data, or educational resources. Organize exclusive events or sessions for top-tier key opinion leaders. 9. Conduct trainings and development initiatives. Organize training sessions or workshops that cater to the key opinion leaders' interests and professional development. Consider sponsoring key opinion leaders for relevant conferences or seminars. 10. Always recognize and appreciate. Acknowledge the contributions and collaborations of key opinion leaders, celebrate milestones, research achievements, and shared successes. 11. Diversity engagement platforms. Beyond the traditional meetings, consider engaging key opinion leaders through podcasts, webcasts, or social media platforms where they are active. 12. Consider the cultural sensitivities. Understand and respect cultural environment, practices, and preferences of key opinion leaders, especially when engaging with international experts. This is very important. 13. Develop long-term relationship building strategy. Focus on building long-term sustainable relationships rather than transactional interactions, and invest in understanding the evolving needs and aspirations of key opinion leaders over time. So these were 13 points or strategies that can summarize how we can build value-based partnerships with our key opinion leaders. Last but not least, I want to discuss with you the different methods of key opinion leader engagement. There are only 3 methods: in-person, virtual, or hybrid engagement. And in your module, you will find a comparative analysis between the 3 methods. And there are advantages and disadvantages for each method. The in-person engagement is the traditional face-to-face interactions, including meetings, workshops, conferences, and advisory boards, for example. The virtual engagements are those engagements where digital interactions take place using platforms like WebEx, Teams, Zoom, or different platforms. The hybrid interactions or the hybrid engagements is a combination of the in-person and virtual methods, often used for larger conferences or events. What is the recommendation? Which one is the best? The in-person method is the recommended method for interacting and building strong relationships with key opinion leaders. The in-person method is the recommended one. While virtual and hybrid methods offer flexibility and broader reach, the in-person method remains the gold standard for key opinion leader engagement for several reasons. 1. Depth of interaction. Face-to-face meetings allow for in-depth discussions, fostering a deeper understanding and stronger professional bonds. Number 2, trust building. Personal interactions are pivotal in building trust, a crucial element in the pharmaceutical and healthcare sectors. Number 3, immediate feedback. In-person engagements facilitate real-time feedback, allowing for instant clarifications and discussions, while this is not available with the virtual platform. Number 4, holistic understanding. Non-verbal language, body language, and spontaneous reactions provide a holistic understanding of the key opinion leaders' perspectives and concerns. 5. The quality of the engagement itself. While virtual methods can sometimes lead to distractions or multitasking, in-person interactions ensure undivided attention and higher engagement quality. To summarize, while all methods of key opinion leader engagements have their merits, the in-person method stands out for its ability to foster genuine, deep-rooted relationships. And this makes it highly recommended for the effective and impactful key opinion leadership engagement. Thank you for your time today and see you in the next lecture.